Auto brake RTO, speed brake is down, parking brake is on, stabiliser trim switch is normal, wheel welt test. Okay, we've got all that. Gear pins we have.
Mr. Filming John in his house in that.
Okay, take off briefing. You'll be pilot flying. Do you want an automatic or do you want a manual takeoff?
Because you can do an automatic one in this, so I'll fly it manually.
Go for manual, we want to see him.
Okay, so you'll be call. Okay, so you're gonna call me for speed.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Okay, yeah. Right. You call. Right. So you're gonna make the calls. I'll do the work. Right. Okay. Flat start up.
I think it's like the 740. I'm not familiar with the 737, so you can get the V speeds for the flat retraction come up on the.
None of your excuses. Yes, just get on with it.
Okay, you have them here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now basically, departure is going to be from 35 right. It's a Serono.
Are we just flying around the circuit, are we, or what?
No, we're going to Milan.
Oh, we're going to Milan.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's sim, John.
8 hotel. Okay.
You guys want to do Manchester to Belfast?
What I was going to do is let one of you take off and one of you land. Okay, so take off is... Okay, so... Basically, what we're going to do is... See, I open the panels. Okay, we'll start the APU. Okay, so we've started the APU.
So when you automatically do that, it brings up your panel there, whether you like it or
what I
not.
do is this, right? What I do is I open the panels with a push button, right?
Why do you do that if you've got... Is this one not fully working?
Yes, yes, but you can't interact with the overhead
without it being up on the...
Without it being...
Fuck home.
Got to start one. You've got to do twice this much.
Yes. Yeah, it takes a while in mine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to start on 2. So I think the next one after... Sorry,
that's alright.
I'm actually going to have it on here when I get that.
I know what you mean.
Okay, so... Right,
a lot of compromise,
so
isn't it?
Now we need the electrical. Okay, so we're going... Okay, the yaw damper is on. Yeah, I bought them off a guy in Scotland.
I see what you mean.
Well, actually, to be honest,
boys,
is Mick and pedestal and throttle.
Mr. Mike, Mr. Dave, smile for the camera. So still from this will be going on my cockpit.
Cameras when you've done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Nothing flashed.
No, he's taking us still good.
Dave, did you use FS Expand?
Yes.
You go.
Got a swap.
Connected up to something
I noticed one thing. I've got, you know, the Manchester scenery, which is fairly good these days. It's quite realistic. But some places they've got the food truck out.
I've got. If I turn the base up, this is
But there's a food truck at one side, and they just stay there. You just park them. One of them, if you look, when you get close to it, if you look to the right, it's got something on the number plate, and you just laugh at them. I can't remember what it is.
down.
There's something on the number plate.
Make sure you get me mitts. Country lad.
Proper pilot's tyre there.
Yeah. I like Gary though.
I've been promoted. I'm waiting for the one with 4 stripes on. It's been a gold card. We're going down. Do you want to try the tiller? Okay. I can't reach. Well, they can come across here. Parking brake. Did you get that from Zippers? This milk came from Utech in Romania. In fact, he was at the IFC show and I was working for Marcus at Licence. And I went round there to see him and I just said, you know, what's the deal? And I said, oh, that's nice. Give me £40. I said, I'll give you 30. No! I said, okay, well I want a load of knobs as well. Okay, you buy 100 knobs, you can have it for 30. So I got it together. Right, okay, come on. You're dying to have a go with that. Right, okay, so taxi check. 1, 2, 5 set. We are engaged.
We actually collect scenery and stuff.
Right, we are engaged.
flight director that's my job to do. I basically sort of
Okay, so around the so it's still got a plan and it still thinks that it's going to Naples. You loaded that freeware Naples?
Flashing red one.
Does it work? I still get it.
Also throttle, saying all throttles switched off.
There is a
all
patch
throttles
for it,
off.
right? Because when you load it, sometimes it looks like there's lumps of earth.
I just didn't get any runway.
Oh, no, mine.
I lost all my runways.
It's absolutely stunning.
And I'd obviously downloaded some text. I just loaded
It's
some text.
absolutely stunning.
What I normally do is I have a complete backup of the text.
Here's the fire station.
Yeah, I did that as well.
Yeah, I did
Okay, 170 now engaged.
really nice textures on this recently.
It's like everybody knows their own setup, you know what I mean? It's like,
Well, that's what this done. I've downloaded one. I'm doing a round the world trip at the moment.
36 knots. We're in a hurry.
We're in a rush. It's raining.
Get this lad, get this
What I do is when I
lad. With his
download
hands on the steering wheel.
I download the program, put it in that one, and see if it's all right. Then transfer it onto a stick and take it upstairs. I put it on this one downstairs, and I opened the airport to the
So if you want to turn that off, it's the top one. There you go. Because we can then, you can put dim and bright.
But you know, someone, I don't know.
Just a bit in the face.
Okay.
And so on there, I did that. Took it to the sim, put it in, started flight. Cool, perfect, good.
There's a bolt on it, I've got another one there.
Yeah, mine simulator. I wonder whether it would actually do it or not.
Well, do you know what I do? That's only a 12-volt bulb, that's all. A normal torch bulb. These are just normal torch bulbs.
Scattered about.
Well, I started.
See, it doesn't go buzz, 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 buzz when you got some flaps on. When we're doing that the first time.
I know, I'll still do it. Yeah,
Or was it in the...
yeah well, he's trying to take off
flap
with his...
zero, flap zero and open the throttles.
Well, you've just,
You can't have that.
well, you've just landed and he's trying to take off with the speed brake on, that's the other one.
We're in a rolling start here.
Yeah, we'll go for it.
Hit it.
Brakes, gear up. Go, gear running. Still thinks there's a route in it. Speed select. Okay, flaps one. Flaps one. Level change, and when you're ready you can, let's take it up to say 9,000. When you're ready, right, when you're ready just hit the AP disconnect button and it'll be all yours when you're ready.
Get some play sky.
Whatever, okay, yeah, get up there. It's no problem. Wide client, when wide client is running I start active sky on there. Right. I start FS here and active sky immediately, so they're downloading the same weather pattern at the same time.
You know what it's nice doing is, I've played about with mine a few times, is take off from Manchester and just level it out just above Derby, that's over the hills there.
You trip switch.
Wind it up to about 450 knots, turn around and come back and beat up the airport. It's great. The airport goes...
See, I mean, Active Sky is absolutely
It's
stunning.
good, isn't it?
It's
Yeah,
stunning.
it is really good.
Right, it's stunning. Because
There are a few things that's
like-
worth buying, I think.
I actually get
definitely,
so many people email me saying, oh, you know, you're not using FSX. It doesn't come close.